So I have this Cub Cadet. It's a 2164. And one of the problems I'm having with it is the exhaust, as it comes out of the manifold, is leaking a ton of exhaust right here. But more importantly, you look down under where the muffler is. I'm going to go upside down here. There's supposed to be a pipe that comes out of here and turns, but instead the exhaust is just pointing straight down because that pipe is gone. And that's leaving dead spots in the grass when I stop. So I got to figure out how to fix this. Okay, so I want to take this whole front tin off as well as the hood. I'm not totally sure how to do it, but I'm going to start by taking these two bolts out, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I don't know if that's all it's going to take to release all this or if there's more in there, but I'm going to start there. Get the old PV blaster on these. They already don't want to come out, so let's see what the scoop is. I'm trying to get these out. Okay, we're going to get this side now. Okay, so hopefully this whole thing will just kind of pull off here. And it does. All right. So now we have access to the muffler and we can see what's going on there. First piece I took off was this outer covering for this pipe coming down. Manifold there, so that's going to be interesting to see how I can do that. I'm going to start with simply putting some PB blaster on. I'm going to do the same over here for these, and let that soak in for a little while. Okay, so the first one in here, real easy. Can unscrew that one. Let's see how tight this bottom one is. Not killer tight. That's good. They both came out, so that's good. So we'll pull those bad boys out. Okay, so there's 3 bolts on the back side of this this muffler, all the way across. So I'm going to try to get those out. It's going to be impossible to film that. They appear to be 13 millimeters. All right, so at this point, the muffler should come out. And it is, and it fell down here. So, all right, this is good. We can kind of take this apart and see what's up. So first things first, bought some gaskets for him, so get these. Okay, so I got some gaskets. Hopefully that's clear enough for you. Just some Briggs & Stratton little gaskets for the exhaust, and the other ones were kind of wrecked. So as I put the pipes back in, these are the gaskets that work for this tractor. I neglected to take some video of the actual muffler that I put in, but I ended up buying a muffler on partstree.com. It was on indefinite back order, so that didn't work out. So they sent me an email, and I found this one on eBay. It was only 89 bucks. It has the little pipe that comes out that curls to the side, which is what I needed. So it was a blessing in disguise that I didn't get stuck with the $340 new muffler, but instead found one that worked out just perfectly at $89.99 plus shipping. So great news for me, and eBay was super helpful. This thing's surprisingly heavy, by the way. Let's start by getting these 3 bolts.
through, and then I'll just be able to start the nuts on the other side. Okay, so the muffler is generally there. Now we will there we go. Get that pipe into the muffler. We'll get our gaskets on. Make sure that you get the tabs squared away. And you'll see the tab pattern on the head, so you don't put that on backwards by mistake. Alright, now I'm going to get these nuts that are holding the muffler on, so they're good. All right, now we just gotta, so this hose or this pipe goes down into a slot specifically made for it to bring the exhaust gas into the muffler. So that's in there good. So now it's just a matter of tightening. Tight. The last one's hangs. Wait, tight a bit. So next up is this heat shield that goes over the exhaust pipe here. Keep the wires safe for the headlights, I guess. Let's get that hand started. That's good and tight. So now the heat shield's on there. Next up, just laid the hood / front grille, and there's two screws that go in right on the side here. These are on sliders, so when I put the side panels on, I may have to shove these back a little bit, loosen them and just push the whole thing back. It kind of looks like that already, to be honest. Maybe I should just do that. That's much tighter back here, which is good. All right, let's see if it works. All right, the muffler works. The headlights are working. I think we're back on track. I'm going to do some work underneath the mowing deck next, but it's generally ready to go at this point. Thanks for watching.